Looking to upgrade your home entertainment setup? Today, we're counting down the top 5 best home soundbar and subwoofer this year combos that deliver powerful audio without breaking the bank. These picks are perfect for movies, gaming. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's dive in. Number 1. Ultimea Home Soundbar and Subwoofer. The Ultimea Home Soundbar and Subwoofer is one of those systems that immediately stands out. It's designed for anyone who wants richer audio at home, whether you're a movie lover, a casual gamer, or someone who simply wants clearer dialogue during everyday TV watching. Right out of the box, the Ultimea system looks modern and clean. The soundbar has a slim, compact build that fits easily under most TVs, and the subwoofer has a sturdy, minimalist design that blends into any room. The setup is simple, the controls are intuitive, and the system feels well-built for long-term use. Even though it's not a portable device, it's lightweight enough to move between rooms if you need it for a home office, bedroom, or shared space. Performance is where this combo really shines. The soundbar delivers crisp dialogue and balanced mids, while the subwoofer adds deep, punchy bass that instantly improves movies, sports, and gaming. Whether you're watching action scenes, listening to music, or streaming podcasts, you get a more immersive and detailed soundstage. Connectivity is also smooth, with options like Bluetooth, HDMI ARC, and optical support, making it easy to pair with TVs, phones, or gaming consoles. In daily use, the Ultimea system feels reliable and enjoyable. You get a stable wireless connection to the subwoofer, no major audio delays, and a clear LED display on the soundbar for quick adjustments. It's great for home theaters, gaming rooms, offices, or even small apartments where you want better sound without bulky equipment. Pros include strong bass performance, easy setup, versatile connectivity, modern design, and impressive overall clarity for movies and gaming. The remote can feel a bit basic, and the soundbar may require occasional fine-tuning depending on your room layout. Personally, I think Ultimea delivers a powerful, user-friendly audio upgrade that fits a wide range of needs. If you want a simple way to boost your home entertainment experience, this setup is absolutely worth checking out. See the description for more details. Number 2. Nylavee Home Soundbar and Subwoofer. The Nylavee Home Soundbar and Subwoofer is designed for anyone who wants a simple way to upgrade their home audio without dealing with complicated setups. It's a compact, modern sound system made to deliver fuller, richer sound than the basic speakers built into most TVs and computers. This is perfect for movie lovers, gamers, home office users, or anyone who just wants better sound every day. The design is clean and minimal, so it fits naturally under a TV or on a desk without taking up much space. The build feels solid and durable, and the subwoofer is slim enough to place beside a TV stand or even under a table. Setup is incredibly easy, just plug it in, connect your device, and it's ready. Since it uses direct power, there's no battery to worry about, making it reliable for long movie nights, gaming sessions, or music streaming. The sound quality is the highlight. The soundbar delivers crisp vocals and clear mids, while the dedicated subwoofer adds warm, punchy bass that makes movies and music feel more immersive. Whether you're watching action scenes, listening to podcasts, or playing fast-paced games, the audio stays balanced and clean. It also supports multiple connectivity options, so you can use it with TVs, PCs, gaming consoles, and even mobile devices. In everyday use, it works great in the living room, bedroom, home office, or a small studio setup. It fills the space well without distortion, and the included remote makes switching modes and adjusting audio levels quick and easy. Clear, immersive sound with strong bass. Sleek, compact, durable design. Easy plug-and-play setup. Versatile for TV, PC, and gaming. Stable wireless connection with the subwoofer. Not ideal for very large rooms. Needs wall power, no built-in battery. Bass performance depends on subwoofer placement. Personally, I think the Nylavee soundbar and subwoofer are a big upgrade for anyone wanting better everyday audio in a simple, stylish package. See the description for more details. Number 3. Polk Audio Home Soundbar and Subwoofer. The Polk Audio Home Soundbar and Subwoofer is a powerful audio upgrade designed for anyone who wants richer, clearer, and more immersive sound than what comes from a basic TV speaker. It's perfect for home entertainment lovers, gamers, office users, and anyone who wants clean dialogue, strong bass, and a more cinematic experience without complicated equipment. In terms of design, Polk Audio keeps things sleek and premium. The soundbar is compact enough to fit under most TVs or on a desk, and its solid build gives it a durable, long-lasting feel. The wireless subwoofer blends easily into a room and delivers deep, smooth bass without needing messy cables. Setup is simple, just plug it in, connect your device, and you're ready to go. No battery stress, no confusing menus. Key features include powerful output, enhanced speech clarity, and stable connectivity options for TVs, consoles, PCs, and mobile devices. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, hosting meetings, or playing music around the house, the sound stays balanced, punchy, and enjoyable. Clear dialogue and rich bass. Easy setup and strong build quality. Versatile for home, office, or gaming. Smooth wireless subwoofer connection. Works best in small to medium-size rooms. No built-in battery, so it stays plugged in. You may need to adjust modes for different content. If you want a clean, powerful audio boost that instantly upgrades your setup, the Polk Audio soundbar and subwoofer deliver dependable performance. See the description for more details. Number 4. JBL Home Soundbar and Subwoofer. The JBL Home Soundbar and Subwoofer is a powerhouse audio combo designed for anyone who wants richer, more exciting sound at home. If you love movies, gaming, music, or just want your TV audio to feel fuller and clearer, this setup is made for you. It gives you that cinematic depth without needing a complicated home theater system. The design is clean and modern, with a compact soundbar that fits easily under most TVs or on a desk, and a sleek subwoofer that adds impact without taking up much space. The build feels solid and durable, and the setup is simple, just plug in, connect, and you're ready to enjoy. Since it runs on direct power, there's no battery to worry about, making it perfect for everyday use. Key features include JBL's signature powerful sound, deep bass from the subwoofer, and clear vocals from the soundbar. Connectivity is smooth, offering support for TVs, PCs, game consoles, and mobile devices. The system delivers immersive audio for movies, room-filling sound for music, and responsive effects for gaming. It works great in the living room, bedroom, office, or even a small studio. Strong, dynamic sound with punchy bass. Clean design and easy setup. Reliable performance and versatile connectivity. Not ideal for very large rooms. Needs to stay plugged in. Best sound quality may require adjusting modes. Personally, I think the JBL soundbar and subwoofer deliver a clear upgrade in both power and clarity, making your everyday entertainment feel more alive. See the description for more details. Number 5. Sony Home Soundbar and Subwoofer. The Sony Home Soundbar and Subwoofer is built for anyone who wants a serious upgrade from basic TV speakers. It's designed for movie lovers, gamers, and everyday home users who want fuller sound, deeper bass, and a cleaner listening experience. And the reason to use it is simple: Sony's audio tuning delivers clarity and immersion that built-in speakers just can't match. Sony keeps the design sleek and modern. The soundbar is slim, compact, and easy to place under any TV or on a desk. The subwoofer has a sturdy build, fits into corners without taking up much space, and adds that powerful low-end punch. Setting it up is quick: plug it in, connect your device, and you're ready to go. No batteries to worry about, no complicated menus. Key features include strong sound output, clear vocals, rich bass, and reliable connectivity with TVs, consoles, PCs, and mobile devices. Whether you're watching movies, gaming, working from home, or listening to music, the system gives you a more immersive and balanced audio experience. Use cases extend from home theaters to bedrooms, offices, gaming setups, or even small studio environments. Excellent sound clarity, strong bass, premium build, easy setup, and versatile connectivity. Not ideal for very large rooms, must stay plugged in, and bass may require placement adjustment. If you want a clean, powerful, and user-friendly audio upgrade, this Sony system delivers. See the description for more details. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.